Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you which CRM is better between Vtiger, Suitecrm and Hubspot. So basically all of them offers a CRM plan that will allow you to basically take care of your business and all of them now have integrated AIs. Now, the difference between them is the price and, of course, the innovativity. So here, if you go to Suitecrm, you're gonna have to basically get the demo first, and then you'll be able to get a paid plan after you contact them. But if we go to Vtiger, we can see that they have plans, different plans. So here we have one growth, one professional, one enterprise, and one AI. So depending on how many users you want and the number of apps, you're gonna get here your plan, your price, and it's billed annually. Now, if you want, you can also bill monthly, but it's gonna cost more. Now, Hotspot offers the same thing, but the thing is that it's more popular and more used in business. So if I have to choose between these three, I'm gonna go with HubSpot and then Vtiger and then Suitecrm. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.